learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Nanzhuang in Miaoli County was originally settled by Saijia tribe. In 1818, Hakka people arrived in Nanzhuang, and after a few skirmishes with Fujianese settlers, Hakka people acquired the area in 1832. They started to develop farmland in Tianwei, now called Nanzhuang Tianmei, and migrated southward, hence the name Nanzhuang, or South Village. There are three main streets in Nanzhuang. Guihua Alley, also called Nanzhuang Old Street, is steeped in rich history. You'll find many stores that sell osmanthus products there. Its sweet and charming taste is unforgettable, making it a must-buy souvenir.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。And Leo， 今天要带我们去哪里玩啊？
今天带大家去我的地盘。
哎呀，又要到苗栗了。
嘿，所以今天我们就来去那个苗栗南庄。
南庄很有名嘛。
南庄有一个地方叫做龟法乡。
龟法乡，桂花巷。
对，
我听过这个东西耶。
以前有部电影叫《桂花巷》啊。
电影嘛 ，That's right. Okay, so we're gonna go to Miaoli County and an area known as Nanzhuang. Okay, this is very popular. But within Nanzhuang, there's another alley actually that's so well known. There's a movie that's based on it or titled that, and it's called 桂花巷。
龟法乡。
龟法乡 ，OK， 龟法桂花其实就是 osmanthus，
对，小小的白白的一种花。来到这边一定要买点那个电路转机。电路转机什么？电路伴手礼。伴手礼。对，
我要买什么电钻呢？
不用。
So there's a lot of souvenirs and maybe even food items that you can bring back for yourself or to give as gifts, and that's called 伴手礼 in Chinese, but in Hakka 伴手礼叫做
电路。
那你建议可以买什么？
其实这边最有名就是桂花嘛，那我们当然一定要买一点什么桂花酿回去。
桂花酿是用来
就是我们譬如说我们煮那个甜的汤圆啊，我们可以加一点啊。哎呀，那可就不一样，香得不得了。
Okay, this is actually fermented osmanthus, mainly used in some dishes or Hakka cooking or soup or whatnot, and that's something that you should bring back. Okay, this is all happening at Miaoli 县南庄, that's Miaoli County's Nanzhuang.
苗栗南庄
and go look for the osmanthus alley, okay? 桂花巷
龟法乡
and buy a lot of souvenirs back home, all right? And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.